My dear students, today our topic to discuss is types of accounts. As we know, there are two types of accounts like personal accounts and non-personal accounts, which are also known as impersonal accounts. My dear students, previously we used to say there are three types of accounts like personal, real, nominal. You can say anyway, no problem. The personal accounts relates to persons like ordinary persons like you and me, artificial persons like banks and companies and all, and representative persons means outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses likewise. And my dear students, here the rule of personal account is to debit the receiver and credit the giver. Say once again, rule of personal account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Then the rule of real account is debit what comes into the business and credit what goes out of the business. The real accounts relates to assets like tangible or intangible assets, maybe like furniture, cash and all. The rule of real account is like debit what comes into the business and credit what goes out of the business. The rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes, profits and gains. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes, gains and profits. My dear students, here if you say nominal account, which is particularly used for calculation of saying what is the profit made by the firm and what is loss made by the firm. The personal account will disclose the information like how much amount that we need to get from some persons, how much amount that we need to pay likewise. And real accounts are what are the assets that we acquired, what are the assets that we paid. For example, if you are purchasing furniture is the asset which is coming, cash is the asset you are losing likewise. See my dear students, here there are two methods of maintaining of accounting books like single entry and double entry. Single entry is considered as a unscientific method where we won't follow the rules of personal account, real and nominal accounts. Here there is no systematic way of doing of accounts. This method is also known as capital comparison method. Here it is not possible to maintain all kinds of books like journal, ledger and all. But whereas double entry bookkeeping system is a system where we record the twofold effect of a transaction, means the account which is to be debited and the account which is to be credited, that will be done by applying these formulas of types of accounts like personal, real and nominal. My dear students, here double entry bookkeeping system is considered as a scientific method of bookkeeping. Here under double entry bookkeeping system we do journal entries, we do ledgers, and we can prepare profit and loss account and we can prepare balance sheet also. My dear students, make use of the class as you are the beginners of the accounts. You have to know this. Sometimes people may ask what is the meaning of account. Account is a statement of summary of particular head, in the sense advertising account. It gives the information regarding advertising. See, salaries account likewise means it's a summary of a transaction, that is known as account. Okay, the book which contains all kinds of accounts is known as a ledger. Okay, in coming days you will be knowing about accounting standards. Thank you my dear students. Please subscribe to my channel.